What's up, y'all? We're going to write some quadratics using the vertex and a point. So let's see how to do that. Alright, so excuse the bad handwriting. This says write the equation of a quadratic with a vertex 2, -1 that passes through 3, -4. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the vertex. We're going to use vertex form. So what is vertex form? Just to remind you, that's y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So remember, h comma k is the vertex, and then we have to figure out what a is. So to figure out what a is, we're going to use this point 3, -4 to figure out what a is. So what does that look like? Well, first we need to plug in h and k. So y is equal to a comma x minus h, which is 2, because that's our x coordinate of the vertex, plus k, which is -1, so I'm actually going to do -1. So remember, k is the y value of our vertex. So now to finish our equation, we need to figure out what a is equal to. So to do that, we're going to use this point and plug it in for x and y. So let's check how we're going to do that. So -4 is our y value, is equal to a times x, which is 3 in this case, minus 2 squared minus 1. So now we just have to solve for a. So -4 equals 3 minus 2 is 1, squared is 1, so a, then minus 1. So now we add 1 to both sides, we get -3 is equal to a. So there is our equation. What we do is now we plug this back into this line where we put in our vertex. So we have y is equal to -3 times x minus 2 squared minus 1. Alright, so I have one more example for you, and hopefully that will solidify your understanding of this. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so here we have the vertex of 4, 3, and it passes through 5, 1. So let's go ahead and see what that might look like. So let's see. Y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Now I plug in the vertex. So y is equal to a, comma, or parentheses, x minus, so I think this is actually a 4 here, so x minus 4. And then plus k, so that's going to be a plus 3. Now we need to find a, so we're going to plug in our coordinate that we're given. So y is 1 is equal to a times 5 minus 4 squared plus 3. So 5 minus 4, that's going to be equal to 1. So 1 squared is just 1, so this is a plus 3. Subtract 3 on both sides, and you get -2 is equal to a. So now plug this back in. So we get y is equal to -2 times x minus 4 squared plus 3. And there is our quadratic. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Now it's a short one, but hopefully it makes sense. So see you in the next one.